Alright, I'm out here at 12th Avenue in Decatur, Alabama. As you can see, we've got an update here, one that's hardly surprising at all. As you can see on this signal, the bell has been replaced. Not too surprised about it because when I caught a train here a few weeks back, both bells here were very much struggling, especially this one. So, there's the new Safetran Type 3 electronic bell, which replaces the Safetran mechanical bell on this signal. Would not be surprised if that one's almost dead as well. But yeah, I just thought I'd show this quick update. There is supposedly a 101 coming, but I don't feel like trying to get it. Partially because I'm kind of heading out towards the Shoals right now. On a very slow journey out there. So yeah, just thought I'd show it. There's now this crossing's lost its mechanical bell pair. Only one mechanical bell remains for the time being. No idea what condition it's in. I'll probably have to see about coming out here soonish and filming this. But yeah, just thought I'd show it. There's now a Safetran Type 3 here, having replaced a Safetran, one of the Safetran mechanical bells. Over and out.